How to delete videos from Rednote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me Mike from Create, Login and Delete. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete videos from Rednote app. I'll guide you through the process step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Rednote app on your device and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now scroll through your uploaded videos or navigate to the specific folder where the video is stored. Once you have located the video you want to delete, simply tap on it to open. And with the video open, simply tap on the three-dot menu icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And in the menu that pops up, you should see an option that says delete. Simply tap on that and Rednote will ask you to confirm if you really want to delete the video. Just tap on delete and the video will be deleted permanently. And that's it for the video. Deleting videos from Rednote app is that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.